I don't even have time to eat. How can I eat slowly? Do I really need to eat slowly? Is it scientifically proven? I know these are the questions currently in your mind, right? We are very busy, we are distracted and rushed doing certain things, and what we do is eventually is tend to provide lesser time for eating. Or sometimes what we do is we chew the food faster and swallow it without even chewing it into a smaller bite, right? And there are certain implication of doing this. Let us see what are the implication over this video. Research shows that eating quickly leads to poor digestion, increased weight, and it also leads to lower the satisfaction of eating. Right, and learning to eat slowly is one of the simplest and powerful way to lead a overall healthy life. Okay, so why eat slowly? Let us look through what are the benefits of eating slowly, right? Let me list down 4 benefits of eating slowly. Number 1 benefit is good digestion, improved digestion, right? Eating slowly will eventually will improve your food digestion. See, digestion is a process which is a chain sort of a reaction, right? So digestive tract has to be prepared even if you before starting eating the food, right? It has to sense that you are going to eat the food so that it can be prepared and start its work of generating certain enzymes and other things, right? When you start smelling food, the next reaction starts, which is salivating. And again, if you see, salivating happens more when you are hungry. So eat food when you are hungry. Okay, saliva helps you to break down the food into many different particles so that it will be easy once it goes into your stomach, right? And on seeing that salivating, stomach will start generating acids so that it can be ready for digestion, okay, and so on. But what will happen if you rush? The digestive tract won't have time to get prepared itself, and it will lead to digestion problem. Right, digestion starts from your mouth. Large part of the food or not chewed inadequately will lead to more difficulty in the stomach for it to do its job of digestion. So ensure that you eat slowly and chew properly before swallowing the food, right? Number 2 benefit, see, helps you in making a smaller making you to eat smaller portion of food. So what I mean by that is eating slowly will eventually will make you to eat lesser and adequate food, and it will avoid you to eat more food, right? And in turn it will help you to maintain the weight, and it will also, if you have higher fat content, it also help you to lower the fat, right? Eventually it will lead to weight loss. See, the research revealed that person who ate quickly consumed 646 calories in 9 minutes, while the person who ate slowly consumed 579 calories in 29 minutes. So, 67 less calories in 20 more minutes, right? So, you can extrapolate this for 3 meals and see how much extra calories you will be adding every day, right? So slow eating meant lesser food, but actually it will lead to much more satisfaction as per research. Number 3 benefit is helps you feel more satisfied, right? That's more important, right? Not just taking food. Actually, you also should feel the satisfaction of eating food. One of the important benefits of slow eating is it helps our body to feel fully satisfied, and when you are full, right? That is more important actually, and it's better to stop when you are 80% full, and not eating excess, right? So that you will be feeling that satisfaction of eating food. The reason behind that is brain takes 20 minutes to signal that you are fully satisfied. So it's better to eat slowly and don't not miss that particular signal, so that you will stop eating before you're getting full, right? So that you can avoid eating excess food, which in turn will obviously will turn into fat, and you will eventually will gain weight. Okay. And fourth benefit is again whatever I have said, right? So again leads to weight maintenance. If you are eating slowly, it will help you to maintain your weight, or if you are excess weight, it will help you to lose weight, because it takes a smaller portion of you will be tending to take a smaller portion of food, and it will be a better digestion, and you are fully satisfied. So all the three benefit will lead to weight maintenance or weight loss if you are having excess weight. Okay. Again, you don't eat that extra calorie which leads to weight gain, right? That's what I said actually. And slow eating helps you to have a control over binge eating as well. Fine. What else? Actually, okay. Now let me. I know actually you would have some thing in your going on in your mind, wherein how to eat slowly, right? So let me give a set of tips how to eat slowly. See, dedicate number one tip is dedicate 20 to 30 minutes for each of your meal time, right? That will would be my first tip. And second one is sit in a calm environment with very minimal distraction. Even it's better to avoid any watching a movie or watching a TV during that time, right? And choose high fiber food which takes more time for you to chew. So eventually will tend to slow down your eating process, right? And set some minimum number of chews per bite, right? So that you will be very conscious of chewing that many times, and eventually will slow down your eating process. And have a slow eater as your companion, and play some sort of a game wherein who eats slowly, right? So who is the winner, right? Some sort of even if you are not playing game, at least you can have some slow eater next to you, and eventually you will tend to eat slowly, right? And most of us lead a hectic and fast paced life, so it is understandable. But eventually, I don't think we can immediately transform into a slow eater actually. Eventually, but slowly you can improve on, right? That like one thing you can follow is currently if you are chewing for 7 to 10 times, right? For every bite, you can try to increase 2-3 bites extra, right? So slowly you can increase and get into a habit of chewing every bite 20 times or even more than that, right? If you like this video and if you found this useful, please do like and share. Please comment on your experience on slow eating, and I will provide more such information and record video in the coming future. Until next time, cheers, bye bye.